okay? So why don't people do it? First of all, I'm going to give you 2 reasons why people don't do it, and then we'll talk about the meat of the problem, which is, okay, well, how do you go about it? What should you be asking your IFA? What do you do about a SIP, doing it yourself? What are the questions to ask, and how do you do it? Okay, well, the first problem is really this. That sums it up. It's fear that you're going to get it wrong and the market's going to come crashing on you. Well, I'm afraid you're already invested. If you're not, then that money's going down because of inflation. Or it's overconfidence. You think, you know what? I've got the best business in the world. It's going to make me all the money I ever need. I don't need to invest in other people's companies, a Microsoft or a PayPal or a Oracle. I don't need to invest in those companies. Yeah, I hear Apple hire a lot of clever people, but no, my business is going to do better than theirs. That's fine. I'm not saying don't do your business. I'm saying when you've not even diversified by investing a bit of your pension elsewhere, we've got an issue. Okay, we've got a problem. The other reason you don't do it is you might look at CVs of people like me or people in the industry and you think, they walk around a bit cocky. I don't really want to ask them. I don't want to ask them because they might think that, what the heck, you don't even know what to do? You know, there is that feeling that, oh, I don't really want to deal with investing. Those are people who I don't really want to even speak to. There are people I don't even want to speak to. Follow me, feel free. Follow me on LinkedIn. We're not as bad and unapproachable as you might think.